the channel. Today we're going to be installing a steering stabilizer and a steering bracket on our 2010 Dodge Ram 2500. We have some steering play. We've already adjusted the rack and pinion and it needs a little bit more, so today we're going to show you how we do it. This is the Rough Country dual steering stabilizer. We got 2 shots, we got brackets, and instructions. Over here we got the steering rack and pinion bracket. It pretty much holds it in place. It prevents it from moving while turning. This just came from eBay. It was a cheap little part, so we figured we would pick it up. The first things we have to do is remove the stock steering stabilizer. You got 4 nuts on the U-bolts first. The next step is to align the driver's side bracket up, and you got 2 bolts. You got a back plate, that doesn't work. Now that we got both brackets on and tightened it down, we went ahead and we put a bolt through the shock into the bracket just so we could see how everything was going to line up. We have the U-bolts just loose so we can line the shots up. Would you give me those 2 bolts? Thank you. Okay. The Rough Country bracket, you slip the bolt through the bottom of the bracket, through the shock, and then through the bracket. It's a little hard to see up through here. The ratchet and pinion adapter that I ordered doesn't appear to be the right size, so I will have to get that ordered. But for now, we're just going to try out the dual steering stabilizer and see if that fixes the problem. Hey guys, we've taken the truck on a test drive. We've drove it about 20 miles. The steering wheel does seem to be a lot better. We're still trying to get used to talking to the camera and working with it. But if you guys would tell us what we could do better, tell us what you like, comment down below, give it a like, and subscribe.